Back everyone. You may have just purchased your Apple Watch, and I'm going to go ahead and break down some of the first apps you should install on any Apple Watch out there. Now, these can be easily installed straight from your Apple Watch's App Store. So you can go inside of your App Store like this, and you can literally just download these applications. A majority of them, you can just click search up there and then search the app. Now, the first app that we have is this one, and these will all be linked down in the description. And this is a very cool app for actually transcribing exactly what you want to have set. So in this case, let's say I wanted to, translate English to Spanish. Well, what I would do is I would go ahead and just click tap to speak, and I would go ahead and start speaking like this. And you can see it's starting to listen. And then if I want to stop it, I can just click here to stop. And you can also change out a lot of your languages too. So you can go from, Arabic to Italian and so many different languages. So this is a great app if you want to go and quickly translate from one language to the other in real time. So this is an awesome application I would highly recommend you guys to go and check out. Now, another application that I love like crazy is Insight Timer. Now, what this application is, it's essentially a meditation type of application. Now, this is one of those apps that I've kind of used on and off, but I didn't even know they had an Apple Watch app till like a week ago. And this is a really awesome application as well. Now, what their Apple Watch app does is that it allows you to go ahead and set timers where you can just go and just like focus in and meditate if you like. But they also have different, timers for yoga and different things like that. So you can go and start a timer. It'll go ahead and if you want to allow, the health access, you can go and do it. And then from here, you can go and set this timer like this. You can also swipe to the side to pause or finish your specific, timer as well. So this is a little bit cooler because it does sync up with your Insight Timer application. So that's another really awesome thing. And you can also go ahead and learn to meditate with your specific Apple Watch as well. So if you're into this kind of stuff, it's a really nice app that I love looking at. Now, another application that I used to use all the time is this specific one. Now, this is kind of like a notes app. So essentially what this is it allows you to get notes on your Apple Watch. I used to use this all the time back in the day, but I don't really use it anymore. And essentially what you do is you go ahead and download the application for the specific Quick Notes app, and you can go ahead and actually write notes on your iPhone and see them on your Apple Watch. Now you can see I used to use this for some classes back in the day, and I would actually just scroll through here and type all my notes here, so if I ever wanted to look at them later. And you can go ahead and do this on your Apple Watch, and it'll go and sync up with, and you can do this on your iPhone, and it'll sync up with your Apple Watch because the Apple Watch still doesn't have a notes app, which is kind of weird. But this is another app I would highly recommend you guys to look into, and it's one of my favorite apps for sure. Now, another awesome application is actually the Robinhood app. Now, I'm not going to show you guys the Robinhood app now because I'm not going to show you how much I have in there, but what's really cool is that this specific application, like all the other ones, it just gives you more information on your Apple Watch as quickly as possible. So it doesn't go, you don't need to have your iPhone on you at all times. You can literally just use your Apple Watch to quickly check up on your stocks and see how they're doing. Even your crypto, if you're invested in crypto, you can see all that stuff through your Robinhood app, which is another really cool thing. Now, there's a lot of built-in apps as well that are really cool, things like photos, obviously iBooks, the camera app where you can go and use the camera of your other application, messages, mail. I mean, the applications just go on and on. But essentially, those are some of the main apps that I would kind of look into. Those are 4 different ones that I like. I thought I had more, but those are the main ones that I use pretty much as often as possible. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.